Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given us mercy and blessing, and thanks to the first supervisor, Mrs. Sakinaya MPD, the second supervisor, Mrs. Tidarislawati Impung, who has given guidance, correction, and motivation for the reception. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nina Maya Linda. I'm from the 2018 class. My student number ID 18220005 and 3, English Education Study Program, Faculty of Language Education, Egypt Silwani. In this opportunity, I would like to present about my research paper entitled Developing English Module on the Narrative Text through Discovery Learning assisted by Canva in Teaching Reading at 10th grade students in high school. In the presentation, there were several outlines consists of background of the research, objectives of the research, methodology, the result of the research, and the conclusion of the research. In the background of the research, we know that the basic skill in English, there are four skills, such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And in this research, the researcher focuses on reading because reading is important. Based on an Emaliana 2020, state that reading is important for the academic success because it is the fundamentals of language skill. And based on the theory, the researcher tried to conduct the student reading skill research in Apata Student Senior High School and found several problems. It were the first was the student had several deficiencies in of learning reading narrative text, and the second was the students were bored with learning activities in the classroom, and the last was the students were not interested with reading narrative text. So this research same with the research in Lion Amarangani 2020 said that the last revised teaching material used did not facilitate student critical thinking and teaching material, lack of contextual learning activities for students as millennials, especially in student characteristics who were close to the technology and internet use. And in this research, the researcher has limitation will focuses on developing English module, and the module consists of the material of the module is the narrative text design use the discovery learning. It is supported by Canva to help in the learning process and interested the students in using the module. Also, in the module, there were discovery learning because based on Purnama 2020, discovery learning is one of the efforts of learning approach to optimize student critical thinking is to know the student's way of learning, such as understanding, solving problems, connecting and communicating in learning. And others' ability will be mastered well by students. And we know that the steps of discovery learning consist of simulation, problem statement, data collection, data processing, verification, and generalization. The objectives in this research, there are four objectives. The first one is to identify the process of developing the product. The second one is to investigate the feasibilities of developing the product. And the third one is to find out the teacher and students' responses toward developing the product. And the last is to investigate the challenges in developing the product. The methodology in this research, the researcher used R&D or research and development method because according to Sugiyama 2018, research and development is a research method that is used to produce a particular product and its effectiveness consists of 10 stages. Potential, The first one is potential and problem. The second one is the data collection. The third one is product design. The fourth is design validation, and then design revision and preliminary testing. The next is product revision, and the next main field testing, and next is product revision, and that is mass production. Also, the subject in this research were an English teacher and 66 students in Alpha Senior High School. They divided by two groups. 23 students were taken for preliminary testing, and 43 students were taken for the main testing. And also, the researcher used three instruments. There are validation sheet, questionnaire, and field note. The result of this research, the first one is the process of the result, the process and result of developing the module. The researcher use R&D, use stage of R&D until 9 stages, from potential and problem, data collection, product design, design validation, design revision, preliminary field testing, product revision, main field testing, and the last is product revision. The result of feasibility of developing the product. The feasibility of module was validated by 3 validators, consists of supervisor 1, supervisor 2, and an English teacher. The result of validation sheet was 84.31%, indicated the valid category. It means the module was feasible to use in the classroom with no revision. And the result of student responses to developing the product. The result of the student responses score in assessing the quality of the module were gained by 2 testing, in preliminary field testing and the main field testing. In the main preliminary testing, the module was good category, and in the main field testing, the module was good category. It means in preliminary field testing was 66.84% with less good category, and the main field testing was 75.58% in good category. It means the average of the module on the narrative text was classified good criteria, and the module was feasible to use in the classroom. With the score, with the average 71.21% with the good category. And the result of teacher responses show developing the product. In preliminary field testing, the teacher response score to the quality of module on narrative text was 61.11%, and the module was quite good category. And in main field testing, the teacher responses score to the quality of the module on narrative text was 73.33%, and the module was very good category. It means the module on narrative text could use in the classroom. Okay, and the result of the challenges of developing English module, there are 3 steps in developing, and post-developing. In developing, students did not know what the module was, and the researcher was difficult to make student interest in learning reading narrative text. And in developing step, the researcher struggled with printed module, and the researcher was run out the time during class because several students live in boarding school. And in the last post-developing, some students struggled with comprehending some vocabularies in the module, and some students opined that the text in the module was too long. The conclusion in this research, according to process, The development of module based on Sugiono 2021 adopted by Cook and Co. 1989 model. There were nine stages consist of problem and potential, data collection, product design validation, design revision, preliminary testing, product revision, and control testing. And the second one is feasibility, the result of tabulation with grade category. And in responses, the result of student and teachers' responses in the preliminary field testing and main field testing was categorized good criteria, and the module was feasible to use by student and teacher. And in challenges, there were several challenges during the research, but it was able to be handled by the researcher. For suggestion in this research, this module can be used individually so that each student can write down their respective learning experiences. However, this module also be added by a subject so that the usage of the module can be more optimally used by the course book. And for teacher, the researcher recommends that the teacher use this module to help the learning process in the classroom. And the last for the other researcher, the researcher suggests the other researcher create and develop this module better than previous one. Furthermore, this research is needed on development English module on narrative text through discovery learning assisted by Canva in teaching reading to 10th grade students at New High School. Thank you for your attention, and the last word I say Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.